So in the end of this video, we're gonna have result like this. A video completely generated automatically by Grok AI in make.com. You can generate maximum 15 seconds videos, and for 5 seconds of video, it costs around 25 cents. So per 1 second Grok API video is costing in API around 5 cents. First of all, you can't use anymore Grok built-in XAI module. It is not working anymore. But what you can do is use HTTP module instead. So first of all, you're gonna need make a request module, click on it, and here authorization type has to be no authentication, because we're gonna add Grok API now a bit later. And here in XAI docs, you can find all the URLs that you're gonna need overall. But to generate videos, what you're gonna need is this type of URL, videos generation. You can also ask Grok, it's gonna output you very nicely this URL. For method, it has to be post. For headers, content type has to be application JSON. And now here in the second header, you're gonna add your API token. So first of all, name has to be authorization. And for value, you're gonna have to write bearer, then space, and your API key. How to get API key I showed in my previous video. So I have to go to XAI Cloud Console. On the left side of the menu, I'm gonna choose API keys. And here I'm just gonna create a new API key. It doesn't matter how you rename it. What matters is API key. So I click create key, and now it's gonna output me this API key. So I'm gonna copy this one. Make sure you don't share it with anyone. And after you got your API key, you can paste it here. So it's gonna look in the end something like this. So now if you scroll down, then query parameters you're gonna leave empty, but body content type has to be application JSON. Data structure JSON string. And now you're gonna have here body content. This is the important part, which you're gonna change as you wish. So I pasted now here this body content. As you can see over here, we have model, which is grok-imagine-video. And now we have here a prompt. I added some prompt about Roman Empire. Duration is in seconds, resolution, and aspect ratio. You can change duration. For example, I gonna take 5 seconds. You can change resolution, but right now it only takes 720p or 480p. So this is better, so I'm gonna keep it. And also you can change aspect ratio. Parse response has to be yes, and pagination type you don't change. And click save. Output is gonna be URL, so we can just run it. Somehow it had here 2 spaces, so let's run it one more time. So now it runs successfully, but we don't have video yet because we have to add another HTTP module, or for example Google Drive module. But I'm gonna now add HTTP to get this video. So you're gonna need again make a request module. So now we're gonna here need another URL, and for that we have to combine 2 of them. So it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna need first URL from XAI docs, and then what you're gonna need is add here your video ID that you just generated with HTTP module before that. So if I write here ID, then you're gonna see request ID. So click on it. So now you're gonna have a full URL, and every time you run, the request ID is gonna change. So you're gonna have new URL. This time method has to be get, because you're getting this video. For headers, this time you don't need content type, you only need authorization and your API key again. So you have to write bearer, space, and your API key. And now everything else you're gonna leave empty, and you can click save. I forgot, no authorization, you have to choose no authentication, otherwise it's not gonna save. So save, and now let's run whole scenario one more time. So now it run, and very quickly it showed it is done. And it is because video is actually needing some time to finish, to proceed. So to make it work, what you can do is add here in between sleep module, which is just gonna delay how long it's gonna take. So here's the sleep, let's put it here in between. And I'm gonna add here seconds. So let's add, let's say 30 seconds. Save. So now every time this video making process starts, it waits 30 seconds and only then tries to get this video. And second thing that I would add here is check later to see if this video is actually done, yes or no. So for yes or no, I have to add rotor in between. So if video is done, it's gonna proceed to download it, and if no, then it's gonna repeat itself. So first of all, I'm gonna put here a repeater. So let's just click save, and to run it, I have to add here filter. So I'm gonna call it not done, and condition has to be that this status has to be pending. So I'm gonna change it to equal to case insensitive just in case, and write here pending. So every time the video is pending, it's gonna go back and repeat the process. So right now I'm gonna keep this second part filter empty. So let's try to run this scenario. Let's see how it performs overall right now. So maybe the sleep module is enough for 5 seconds of video, but we will see. So sleep module was in between. Let's have a look what we have right now. Okay, it outputted actually a video download link. So sleep module was enough. And this is the generated video. It's actually not bad at all. So as you can see here, sleep module was completely enough, but still, just in case I'm gonna add repeater, maybe it's gonna be slower next time. And in order to add it somewhere, for example, in Google Drive or Dropbox or wherever else, you're gonna need another HTTP module, and it's gonna be download a file. First you're gonna need to download it, and then you can only upload it to Drive. And for that you're gonna need URL that you just got from the previous HTTP module. I'm gonna click on it, click save, and now you can add a Drive module like Google Drive. And let's write here upload a file. Gonna choose the folder where I'm gonna locate it. And now as you can see, it already mapped out using file name and data from this download a file module. So I can now click and save it. So now every time video is generated, it's gonna throw it here in Google Drive. So I'm gonna make a quick change in prompt. I wanna see how it's gonna be as a super realistic. Of course, for YouTube shorts or other short content, you can use other aspect ratio like 9:16. But for this video, I'm gonna use this aspect ratio to show video more perfectly. So let's run it now. So again, the sleep module was enough. It didn't repeat itself. And now if I go to Google Drive, then I have this video over here. I have to download it, and here is the video. Not bad. I believe if you do a lot better prompting, then you're gonna get much better result. So this is how you generate videos with XAI Grok. Like I told, probably you can handle it even without repeater, and so you don't need any router also. You just in case can add longer sleep seconds if you're generating longer videos, because right now the video generation is very fast, but I just added it to show what to do just in case. Have a beautiful day.